Hello,
Hi,
how are
how are
you?
you?
Hello,
Hi, what is your name?
my name is Narayan. And what's
Nice
your name?
to meet you.
Same here.
Good, I'm Cynthia and I'm from the US. Where are you from?
Uh, I am from India.
Oh, okay. So what time is it for you in India?
Right now, 8:30 p.m. a.m. Sorry.
Oh, so it's morning. Okay.
Yeah. It's the morning time here.
Good. Well, it's nice to meet you. Can you tell me about yourself? What do you do? Are you a student? Are you working?
Yeah, I am just a student.
Hmm. And what do you
I'm
study?
I'm undergraduate engineering student.
Hmm. Ah, very interesting. What type
Yeah.
of engineering are you studying?
I'm just in first year.
Hmm. Okay, but what kind of engineering do you study?
Hello,
Civil engineering, computer engineering?
computer engineering.
Ah, okay, good.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah.
And
Tell me about
what
yourself.
brought you to Cambly? Why did you decide to join Cambly?
I just joined Cambly for the being in touch with the global
Hmm.
citizens or practice some
Oh,
English.
good. Have you used Cambly before, or is it the first time?
This
Ah,
is my first
okay.
time on
Do you know
Cambly.
how it works, or do you want me to explain? Do you know how
What?
Cambly works?
Yeah, I have just installed the app from Play Store, and after that I
Okay,
got subscription, and then I find a tutor like you and just
wonderful.
talking with you.
Yes, so if you want, we can just chat. We can talk about different things, or we can also do a class that has questions. Which do you prefer? Which do you want? Just a conversation or a class?
I, uh, I prefer
Okay.
conversation first. After that, I
Yes,
will
that
make a
sounds
class.
good. Yes, so you were telling me about your school. Right now, do you have classes?
No, due to coronavirus pandemic, no classes has been
Mm-hmm.
suspended now. But admission process is going
Mm-hmm.
on in my college. So the no, there is no any perfect
Mm,
service for the
okay.
classes.
So you have no classes. Wow. Do you miss going to school? Do you miss having classes?
Yeah, very much.
So since you don't have classes, what do you do during the day? What do you do for fun?
I am analyze, I am analyzing myself and working on the
Okay.
weaknesses to make them
Wow.
strengths.
That's pretty mature of you. And what is something that you have been working on?
I'm working on my communication skill and English.
Good. For your job, for what you are studying, is English very important?
Yeah, as a software engineer or in a corporate culture, you must have a great knowledge
Hmm.
about English. So I'm just working on them.
Mm, good. Does anyone in your family speak English too?
Yes, yes. Some elders they used to speak English
Oh.
very fluent, but I am not able to speak with them. So I'm just trying to make myself
Hmm.
in best
Oh,
version.
wow. So you said some elders, some of your family members? Mm,
Yeah, some of my family members and some of my
hmm.
class seniors
Good.
they used to speak English
Hmm.
very fluently.
And for you,
So
go
I'm
ahead.
just myself as a fluent speaker.
Good. This is the place, right, where you can improve. For
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So
mhm,
why
good.
am I
And for
there?
you, what would you think is the most difficult thing about English? Is it writing? Is it speaking? Is it grammar? What is the most difficult?
I don't think anything is difficult in this world. I don't know what is easy and what is difficult. I'm
Hmm.
just working on all the
Ah, that's a
things.
good mentality. That's very good. Good. Well, yeah, I've been asking you so many questions. Now, if you want, we can switch it and you can ask me whatever you want.
Tell me
Yes,
something about
I'm from
yourself.
the US. I'm from the city of Chicago. And here it's cold.
Yeah,
It's 0 degrees
yeah.
outside. Yes.
Oh,
Yeah, zero.
zero
Very
degrees.
cold.
It's very cold now.
Yes, so right now I'm wearing a sweater. It's cold inside.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me
Yes,
something about Chicago.
Chicago. We are, if you can imagine, LA is on this side, on the Pacific coast. Then you have New York, LA, New York.
Yeah, yeah,
Chicago, you have Texas down here, and Chicago is up here.
yeah, yeah.
So LA, New York, Texas, Chicago. Yes, so here it's a big city,
Oh,
10 million people. There are 10 million people.
oh, the total population of the
Yeah,
Chicago
a
is
little bit
10 million
more, like
people.
12
Really?
million, but it's about 10 million. Yes. Yes. What about your
Oh,
town, your
that's
city? Is it
very
a
good.
big city or a small city?
It's not a very big city. It's just a small city, but it's a very
Mm-hmm.
crowded here, and mm,
And in that area, oh,
we
go
are just
ahead. Mm-hmm.
northern part of
North,
India.
okay. What is the biggest city close to
Yes,
your town?
uh,
Mm-hmm.
my
That's,
Patna, capital of
oh,
state
okay.
Bihar. Actually, I am
Mm-hmm.
Bihar. Bihar is a state
Okay.
of India.
Mm. So you live in the north. In the north, I've heard that the food
Yeah,
is better than in the south. Is that true?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Little bit. We are from north, so I love northern food, North Indian foods, and
Mm.
the South Indian peoples
Mm-hmm.
love South Indian foods. It depends on the culture and the situation. Uh,
Mm. What is the main difference between the foods? Just how they are prepared or the ingredients?
Mainly, it is on the ingredients and
Mm.
process
Mm-hmm.
by which the food used to make.
Oh. In the area where you're from, what is the most famous dish? The most famous food?
Uh, from Bihar, litti chokha is
Okay,
most
and can you
famous
explain
here,
what is it?
and we use it is when we use flour and we make
Mm-hmm.
flour from wheat and then we use to make it litti or we used to make chokha from the
Okay.
different ingredients and then we
Oh,
use
so
that.
it's all mixed together and then you fry it, or what do you do with it? Do you cook it in oil?
I
Oh,
don't
okay.
know how. No, yeah, I can't explain
It's
it
okay.
perfectly, but
Yeah.
I know how to.
But you know that it's delicious, right?
Yeah, it's
Yes.
delicious.
Good. Here in Chicago, we are famous for a style of pizza called Chicago style pizza. And it's like
Wow,
it's
pizza.
very thick. It's like a pie, but pizza. Yes, we're famous for that.
Oh, you love
I do
you
like
love
pizzas
pizzas?
because here in Chicago, we had a lot of people who came from Italy and
Oh,
they moved to Chicago. So that's why we have pizza.
yeah. Mainly, pizza is come from
Originally,
Italy, huh?
yes. Yeah.
fast foods.
Yeah. Are fast foods popular in India?
Yeah, as the time now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Due to some
You're back. But you were telling me about fast food in India, right?
what?
We were talking about food in India.
Yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
Have you even visited India?
No, I haven't.
Then you are invited to visit India.
Yeah, I would
Please
love to
come
visit
to,
India, honestly.
please come India and enjoy here.
Yes, I would love to. I've heard that the food is delicious, that there are
Yeah,
beautiful places to see. So maybe in the future.
yeah.
Good. And what are you today? What are you going to do?
I have to do lots of things. First of
Okay.
thing that I am practicing English with you, and
Mm-hmm.
lots of another schedules that I have made to
Oh,
complete.
good. Uh-huh.
Like,
Right now, what do you use to study English? Do you have a website or do you only use Cambly?
I no, yesterday I think that I should work on English, so I have
Mm-hmm.
downloaded the Cambly and I started
Okay.
working on them. As on time moving, I will try to do something more.
Ah, good. If I can recommend a website, it would be this one. It's called Engu,
Yeah,
Engoo. Let me show you what it looks like. I'm going to
yeah,
share
yeah.
my
You can
screen,
just
okay? So you can see.
yeah,
But this is what it looks like. They have articles. So every day you can learn new words,
yeah,
okay? And they have a text that you can read.
yeah. I want you.
So, but thank you so much for asking.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes, so please don't. But thank you for asking. Yes, and I would recommend that if you want to continue learning, that you can use this website.
yeah, yeah. I will definitely use this website for
Good.
learning.
If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message, and next time we can plan something out for our next class.
Yeah, I will definitely.
Great. Well, it was so nice to meet you. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you around sometime.
Same here, same here.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.